Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Thonotosassa local, and long-distance movers near me. As a local moving company in Thonotosassa, Florida, we play a crucial role in assisting residents with their intra-city moves. We are well-versed in the unique dynamics of the city and offer tailored services to ensure a hassle-free relocation experience. Leveraging Thonotosassa's population of 14,278 local movers, understand the community's needs and strive to provide exceptional service. Whether you're moving to a new home within Thonotosassa's vibrant neighborhoods or transitioning within the city, we have the necessary resources, skills, and local familiarity to handle your move efficiently. By entrusting your relocation to us, you can be sure that your belongings will be handled carefully and precisely. Thonotosassa, Florida, residents seeking to move beyond the city or state can rely on our professional long-distance movers to handle their relocation needs. We understand the intricacies of moving long distances and provide specialized services to ensure a smooth transition. We employ expert packing techniques and use quality materials to ensure the safety of belongings during transit. We offer accurate pricing based on distance and the volume of moving items, accommodating various budgets. Choosing licensed and certified movers with the necessary permits to operate legally across state lines is essential when moving, and we have that sorted. By relying on us, the Thonotosassa residents can have peace of mind knowing that their belongings will be handled with care and arrive at their new destination securely. Whether moving to a neighboring state or across the country, we ensure a seamless moving experience, taking the stress out of long-distance relocations. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Thonotosassa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.